Hi, I'm John, the Twisted Cuber. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the Bandaged 2x2 shape mod. Before we start, I hope you'll hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Let's begin. Here's an example of a regular 2x2 and a 2x2 shape mod. The difference between this puzzle and these two is that this face is a single piece. It is restrained or bandaged, which is a common way of making a standard puzzle more challenging. The method I'll be using will work on any Bandaged 2x2 normal or shape mod that has the same bandaging. Time to give this puzzle a scramble. Okay, our puzzle is nicely scrambled, and we will now start with the top layer, or the head. First, we're going to be placing this piece here, the bandaged part of the face, in the back like so, and it's going to remain this way for the rest of the solve. Next, we're going to be placing the top right piece in its spot regardless of its orientation. Now this will be intuitive, requiring no algorithms. And that piece is now in place. The thing to be aware of when it comes to this, these two pieces here, is they're nearly identical. These triangles here, when they are placed correctly, should both be in the center of the face there. So now that we have this in its spot, we're going to perform this algorithm until this piece is correctly oriented. F, D prime, F2. As you can see, it's not correctly oriented. We will do that again. F, D prime, F2. Now let's take a look here, see if that arrow is in its spot. And it is not, which means that this is in fact supposed to be over here. So as I said, sometimes you may not get the right piece to start with, and you may have to do this again. As in, you basically have to do this piece and put that there. So we're just going to move this over like so. And we're going to then do that algorithm to place this piece. F, D prime, F2, and we'll have to do that again. F, sometimes these can get a little catchy. D prime, F2. Now I'll check again, and the arrow is in its proper spot, or the triangle, so that one is correctly positioned. Now we're going to do the top left piece, and again, same thing. It's going to be intuitive, and it's going to be regardless of its orientation. Okay, that is now in its location. And you'll be performing this algorithm until this piece is correctly oriented. F prime, D, F, D prime, F prime, D, F. And as you can see, the two triangles are in the center, and these two pieces and the top layer are now complete. Next, we'll be solving the bottom layer, or the legs. There are 4 cases. Here we have one correct leg, which is the leg, the piece that'll be sticking down like this. This is the case that you want. Bring this piece over so it's on the front right like this. Perform this algorithm to complete the solve. F prime, D2, F, D, F prime, D, F. As you can see, the puzzle is solved. In this second case, you'll have two correct legs, either together or diagonal. If the legs are together, like they are here, turn them so they are below the face, like this. Perform this algorithm to get to case 1. When you get to case 1, you may have to perform the algorithm 2 more times in order to complete the solve. F prime, D2, F, D, F prime, D, F. As you can see, we have the first case. We're going to bring that leg below the front right like this and repeat the algorithm. F prime, D2, F, D, F prime, D, F. As you can see, we have case 1 again. Bring this back over like so, and perform the algorithm 1 more time to complete the solve. F prime, D2, F, D, F prime, D, F. As you can see, the puzzle is solved. If the correct legs are diagonal, place the pieces so one of them is in the back right below the face. Like so. Perform this algorithm to get case 1. When you get case 1 with the scenario, you may have to perform the algorithm twice after that to complete the solve. F prime, D2, F, D, F prime, D, F. As you can see, we have case 1. It's already in the front right where it belongs, and we'll perform this algorithm. F prime, D2, F, D, F prime, D, F, and again we got case 1 as we expected. Bring this back over to the front right and repeat the algorithm. F prime, D2, F, D, F prime, D, F. As you can see, the puzzle has been solved. In this third case, you have no correct legs. 2 are going left and right, and 2 are pointed the same way, going outwards. Place the legs that are pointed the same way in the back under the face. Perform this algorithm to get the first case. F prime, D2, F, D, F prime, D, F. And we're now back to the first case. Put the correct piece under the front right and repeat the algorithm. F prime, D2, F, D, F prime, D, F. And the puzzle is now solved. In this final case, both pairs of legs are pointed outwards. Place them so they're pointing left and right. Perform this algorithm to get case 1. F prime, D2, F, D, F prime, D, F. And now you have the first case, case 1. The piece is below its spot as needed, and perform the algorithm one more time to complete the solve. F prime, D2, F, D, F prime, D, F. As you can see, the puzzle is solved. And there you have it, a tutorial on the Bandaged 2x2 shape mod. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, have a great day.